Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Chart appraisals on Monday the 22nd of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's move on to cable now, and sterling dollar is an interesting one actually because it's difficult to really be it's difficult to be anything other than positive on cable, but is there the early signs now of a correction? We've seen, here we go, we've seen strong run higher, what's that, 9 bullish days out of 10, but Friday's candle was fairly neutral, and today we've seen a reaction where it's sort of putting pressure onto the downside. This is obviously early in the session, so nothing too significant yet, but look at these momentum indicators. Stochastics rolling over, potential crossover there. RSI hitting 70, turning down below 70, so if that closes at that where we are now, if it closed here, that would be arguably a sell signal, or at least a take profit signal. So also look at this. I've been looking at this intraday chart and using this 55-hour moving average as the basis of support, which is fine. It has been doing that and it continues to do that. However, we're now starting in the last 2 hours to break down below that. Now this could either be a consolidation or it could be the beginning of a correction. Now you'd be looking out, I think, for this reaction low here at 58 sort of figure area. I think if that 58 figure support starts to break down, then you could be into correction territory. Look at also this hourly RSI. Every time in this rally, pretty much every time, sort of mid 30s, gets back to, you see a rally. If you start to see the RSI pushing back towards 30, then again that would be suggestive that there could be potentially a bit of a correction going on. So these are all signals that have not been seen yet, but they could well be coming through, and if they are coming through, then you might need to start to position for a correction or some sort of profit taking in long positions. Obviously two ways of playing that. So that's pretty much what we've seen. We've seen a strong breakout, which is fine, but you do tend to see that cable doesn't go very far, does tend to have this strong run, and then a big correction. So you do tend to see these strong runs and a correction. So we've had this strong run, and that would be my concern. If you start to see a correction coming through, it could well go for several days to the downside. So that's my concern with this bull run on cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable. Something to watch, and I'll speak to you later.